Let's go behind the scenes and set up this private gnocchi workshop together. So I had the privilege of hosting a private gnocchi workshop in a client's home for her and her staff members. This took a couple of days prep beforehand as well, between shopping, pre-making the sauces, measuring out the ingredients. I did a green pesto sauce as well as a red sauce, and I provided two beautiful seasonal salads. This is becoming like my signature salad. I'm loving it. Radicchio, fennel, apple, pomegranate, fresh mint, so much good stuff. Loaded up the boot with all my utensils required for the actual workshop and then for cooking afterwards. I packed the car, hit the road, set up all the stations for the ladies, and we got rolling, made all the gnocchi. I'd also filmed my dark choc and raspberry brownies that week for YouTube. I thought it'd be cute if they could actually take one home. We made all the gnocchi together, and then while the girls enjoyed their day, I went over to the stovetop, cooked all the gnocchi for them, mixed it through the pesto sauce. There was actually, I think, about 2 trays left over for my client to freeze to leave, for a later date for her to cook. Marinated the salads, served it all up, and let them enjoy, and it was a beautiful day.